Well, guys, we're finally getting, the opportunity to speak with some of these residents as they wake up this morning. And just a few minutes ago, we were able to talk with some nurses, and they work at a nursing home here called Colonial Estates. Their roof was completely ripped off. They said they had 79 people inside who all were able to get out safely. And here's more on what they had to say.
Primarily OBs.
Now, I'm not sure if that was able to come through, but really what they said is that while they didn't have a shelter in that nursing home, they did have a plan. And so they were able to get everybody out safely. They said all their nurses worked extremely hard. Now, I want to show you some more damage just as we continue looking around, Shawnee. Now, I believe this here behind me is part of OBU's campus, Oklahoma Baptist University, and you can see some of the damage there, especially on the right side. Really just everywhere we look, there's something here in Shawnee that's been damaged. It's really a heartbreaking scene. And as we pan over here to this side, you can see more just roof damage, and it looks back here like this building's roof has been torn off as well. There's also power lines down. There's tree branches everywhere, the debris covering the streets. That's why we're seeing a lot of those road closures, a lot of people having a hard time getting around town this morning. I do know that earlier, we were able to speak with Trooper Eric Foster with the Oklahoma Highway Patrol, and he said if you can avoid driving, please do. He says to check on your neighbors, but do so safely. Obviously, don't get into any debris or anything where you could be injured. As they continue a search and rescue, there's a lot of first responders out here who are looking for people, looking for anyone who may be trapped, anyone who could have been injured. So we're just going to continue, speaking with these residents who are waking up and seeing this damage, as well as those first responders, and of course bring you all the latest updates that we can, guys. Reporting live in Shawnee, Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.